regarding to the last four. Hodi Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana. Okay, can you read this? Hodi Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana. So here, Hodi Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana Panjahakarihi, because it is concerning five cricket. Therefore, five aspects will be explained in five aspects. Here, Diṭṭhikathā uses this Hodi Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana. What is the meaning of Diṭṭhikathā here? According to commentary, Diṭṭhikathā means sentient being, just being, or according to other terms, a creature. So referring to all sentient beings are Diṭṭhikathā here. Sometimes Diṭṭhikathā in Buddhist texts mostly use the Buddha referring to himself, Diṭṭhikathā, thusness. This term is confusing because they use this term, not a Hodi Tattva Sattva Diṭṭhikathā Paramarana. If you use Sattva also easily understand. But they use Diṭṭhikathā. Diṭṭhikathā means here commentary explanation Diṭṭhikathā is Sattva. But a different view also have Arahantoti Eke. Some assumed as a Arahant. Regarding to Arahant, there is discussion out of that. Arahant. So translations also used Arahant, the perfect one, referring to Arahant. Referring to not all beings accordingly it. But regarding to view, in my opinion, regarding to view, the sentient beings better. Otherwise, only limited point. Only these views are concerning Arahant. On those days, there is no Arahant, no such views coming to be. So, this view is forever, any age, any time. Such a view holders are to be. Therefore, Diṭṭhikathā means a sentient being or some of the beings. That is the meaning. Concerning that, for example, we are referring to us. After death we will be born. People also want to know this point. After death I will be born, or I will not be born. So about that people also consider. And ordinary people also consider it. This one. Depending on considerations, wrong views come into being. You may think himself, after death I will be born, or I will not born. Nowadays some religions also have. After death is no more. But most religions have. After death, the God will decide you. You are waiting for the decision by God. So God will decide according to your action. They will decide if the bad action without confession. She will be born in the hell forever. After that, your confession and good person will be born together with me forever. This is also after death. After death. The people also believe in many ways. Some people believe no next life. No next life. Only in this life. After death, no more. No chance, no opportunity to next life. Therefore, enjoy yourself. Life is too short. Enjoy yourself. Nothing remains in next life. So, ordinary people are also thinking about that. Most people, I think Buddhist people, most Buddhist people in our country, most people, they are hopeful for future. You say always, no, performing kusala, dana, sila. After that, they are very hopeful. Want to be born in next life, rich men, rich people will be. After that, they do all. So, next life, they want. This life is not good enough for me. Next life, I will be good, better. Most Buddhist people also, they listen to the stories also, Jataka stories. Most Jataka stories lead to eternalism. Lead to eternalism. You see, because of Bodhisattva is, no? Bodhisattva fulfill paramita. Therefore, studying in Sumedha life, he performed great kusala karma, lying down to walk on by Dippingra and other their followers, sanghas. Is great performance. By means of that, he started his profession. And during his professions, he fulfilled paramitas. By fulfilling paramita, he became Garma Buddha. This is, according to these stories, the idea is coming to be eternalism. Most Buddhist people are eternalists, hold of eternalist. Yeah. In this way, you see. Is it all true or not? Maybe eternalism and karma and karma rasat, believe in samsara, is a little different, slightly different. According to Buddhist view in real, ultimate realities, yeah, karma accept, samsara also accept. You will did kusala karma, next life you will be better. So this is also accepted. But that is the natural life. This life is you, not the really natural life is you. Because of ever changing. Only process. only process is will be. Not that totally the same, just a copy. So rise and falling process. By means of vipassana, is removed this eternalism. The Buddhist view removed by eternalism by insight knowledge. Without the insight knowledge, eternalism is stronger and stronger will be. Therefore, most Buddhist people say this. In my opinion, in this way, no Buddhist people has annihilationism. Jataka stories a lot. In previous life you are born as a, therefore now you are now in this way. So